China has always been showing surprises in the world of technology, but this time it seems that surprise is a little more. The level of their inventions is now so far that when you see them, you may think, are these really right for us? Is the world ready to accept so many futuristic things right now? So let's see what they have done secretly. Imagine that you are riding a train that is not on the ground but in the sky. China has now brought that dream to reality with the Sky Train. It is a train that looks like a futuristic device from a sci-fi movie. This train can carry 200 passengers at a time and runs at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. The most interesting thing is that it took only 7 months to build it, which is the same as the construction of a normal railway line. Do you know why this train is different from other trains? Because the Sky Train journey means avoiding the traffic jams of the ground. Traveling by air is less risky. It saves space and the cost is the same as a normal train. The most important thing is that there is empty space below, so parks and new roads can also be built there. It is not just a train, but it is a wonderful example of the future. If such a train comes to your city, then the whole city will look like it will change, right? GSC Globe showed us how exciting the future of personal transportation is going to be. It is not just a flying car, it is a completely new mode of transportation of the future. A car that can run on the ground as well as take off in the sky. Yes, Zhong X3 is such an amazing invention that is changing the difference between land and air in one step. This car can run on the road like a normal electric car, but with its 8 advanced motor system, it can fly straight up from the ground and even in the sky. It can fly at a speed of 130 kilometers per hour and can float in the sky for up to 35 minutes continuously. In this flying car, you can have the fun of driving it yourself, or if you want, you can let it drive automatically. Its 270-degree panoramic view will give you the opportunity to enjoy the charm of the city from the sky. The most amazing thing is that the ground module of the car can charge the sky module while it is on the ground, which is a great solution to save time. So it can be said that Zhong X3 is not just a vehicle. It is another step forward in technology that is making our dream journey a reality. The most interesting thing is that they have also made a lot of changes to their road system rules to put this car on the road soon, and we will soon see this car in the sky of Dubai. What would it be like if such a car were to run around us? Maybe that experience is not too far away for us. What would it be like if we could fly through the air to go from one place in the city to another without any vehicles? The Chinese-made EHONG 216S drone taxi is offering just such an experience. This state-of-the-art drone can seat 2 passengers and can fly at a speed of 130 kilometers per hour. Even this drone, powered by an environmentally friendly electric motor, no pilot is needed. Everything is operated automatically, so even if one of its wings breaks, it can still land safely. Do you know what else makes it special? The N216S flies completely silently and smoothly, which makes it ideal for cities. It can reach its destination quickly, avoiding the hustle and bustle of the ground, and the automatic flight system ensures maximum safety for passengers. This drone taxi is about to usher in a new era for short-distance travel within and around the city. Since such a technology has been invented, it is exciting to think that it can soon come to your city. Isn't it amazing that you are riding in a car that can instantly take off from the road and into the sky? Yes, the GSC Globe flying car is just such an amazing invention. It can be driven on the ground and flown in the air at the same time. The design of the car is also excellent. It has 6 folding plates on its surface that give it the power to fly. This flying car can go to the charging station and charge itself while flying. The interesting thing is that it is completely automatic, i.e., no manual, no need for controls. Just set your destination on a tablet and the car will take you to the right place on its own. While on the ground, it works as a modern electric car. Even its chassis is designed in such a way that it can run on narrow roads. The Latheridge LMV 496 is the world's first flying motorbike, which looks like a machine straight out of a sci-fi movie that has come down to reality. It works as a powerful electric bike on the road with a maximum range of 60 miles. But the interesting thing is that at the touch of a switch, it transforms into a flying machine. 4 jet engines are hidden in the wheels of the bike. They tilt downwards and help lift the bike into the sky. These engines can generate 1300 horsepower and are capable of keeping the bike floating in the sky for about 10 minutes. Yes, it is not just a bike, it is a flying machine that uses vertical takeoff and landing technology. This kerosene-powered bike is as good on high-speed roads as it is invincible in flying in the sky. However, the Latheridge LMP 496 has been made in a very limited range and is priced at around 5 lakhs. For those who do not have money in their pockets, this will be an extraordinary experience. The days of being stuck in traffic jams are over. This is a personal flying car that is capable of taking off and landing vertically because the N-Flyer uses cutting-edge technology and does not require special training to operate it. It is easy and safe for ordinary users. Its automatic control system will only ask you to set the destination and it will do the rest. Yes, this Etal car is small but can move quickly in the air. Its creators have developed technology that maintains stability in the air and provides safe landing even in emergency situations. The car can fly for a long time on a full charge. Imagine what it would be like to fly over the city with the N-Flyer during traffic jams. This is not just transportation, but it is going to add a new chapter to life in the city. Only time will tell whether we will be able to travel around like this in the future. Think of a taxi that takes you to your destination without a driver. Robo-taxi is such an autonomous vehicle that is changing the course of transportation in the city. Its specialty is its two-way design that allows the car to drive forward and backward with equal efficiency. As a result, it has no problem turning around, which is very effective for narrow city streets and traffic jams. 4 passengers can sit face to face inside it, which makes the journey more comfortable. With the help of 360-degree cameras and radar sensors, it can also avoid any obstacles and reach the destination safely. On a single charge, it can run for up to 16 hours and can reach a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour. Even since it is powered by electric power, it is environmentally friendly. So it can be said that the Juox Robo-Taxi is not just a taxi, it is a service that is the future of smart city transportation without a personal car. We will see taxis plying on our roads. For those who want to combine travel and comfort, the RCAP 75 is a dream floating home. It is not just a boat, but a complete floating villa that sets new standards for luxurious lifestyle. Measuring 75 feet long and 32 feet wide, this floating villa will give you a complete modern lifestyle experience in 4,350 square feet of space. It has 36 kilowatt solar panels on its roof that generate its own electricity and even stores rainwater, allowing for completely off-grid living. In addition, the RCAP 75 has 4 luxurious shower rooms and 4 bathrooms. Its hydraulic leg system keeps it stable in the water even in bad weather. So it is not only eco-friendly but also safe. It is not just a floating home. It is a great example of eco-conscious living. Can a car ever float? The Buick Yong Ute has made our incredible imagination come true. It is the world's first floating SUP that is capable of running on water and can be used to traverse inaccessible paths. The most amazing aspect of the young Ute is its hydraulic suspension system that can raise or lower the car by up to 15 centimeters. It can cross water up to 1.5 meters deep while floating in water. It can even travel at a speed of 3 kilometers per hour while floating in water. If this car suddenly gets stuck on the road due to flooding or waterlogging, it automatically activates emergency floating mode, turns off the engine, locks the windows and keeps the AC on, and opens the sunroof to keep the car afloat in water. It can provide security for up to 30 minutes in an emergency, and in the meantime, the rider can reach his safe place. Even this SUV is not only a symbol of modern technology, but it is a wonderful blend of luxurious design and safety. In the future, it may become a life-saving innovation in disaster situations.